Hey you guys, it's your girl Simone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Simone, known as Naturally Simone here on YouTube. And if you are a returning family member, welcome back gang. I miss you guys. So today I am here with the third cash unstuffing for the month of March. And I really don't have a lot of personal expenses, more so just business expenses. And I do not cash unstuff P&A's expenses every single week. I do that once a month at the end of the month because it's just easier that way for me. This video should be really simple and quick, but I can go over what I did purchase as well for P&A, which is my business. For those who are new here, my business is called Press and Apply. I still press on nails. So if you do want some press on nails, check out my website. If you want a custom made set, hit me up on Instagram, BudgetwithSimone or Press and Applied, and I'll write you guys on either one. And it is my weekend off. Today is Saturday, March 19th, I believe. So right after I'm done with these videos, filming my cash unstuffing and my cash stuffing video, I will be working on probably like 2 or 3 sets that will be up at the end of the month or the beginning of April. But in between then and now, I probably have more sets out, but we shall see. Can't make any promises. So that is that, and let's get into the cash unstuffing. So we have to go into bills, spoiled, and my wallet because I did use my debit card instead of paying cash for my groceries, and I did go to Trader Joe's. So the change was just, I ain't want all that change in my wallet, even though it could go into my little glittery pouch, but still, that's besides the point. So let's get started on my wallet first. And I already separated the bills. So my groceries at Trader Joe's cost $25.71 because I did get a little discount from a family friend that works in Trader Joe's. And I believe I already put it on the side of bank, so it could just be easier like that. So I round up to the nearest dollar. I don't like all that change, so it should be $26. Yep, that is correct. So I'm gonna put that there. And I do have my iPad right here on the side where I do be crushing out my expenses. So Trader Joe's, cross out. All right, so let's put my wallet to the side for now. Leave that open because I need to go into it in the next video. So we do have to go into bills, which is in my old spoiled envelope. And right now we just gotta take out Amazon Prime, which is $6.52. And I round up to the nearest dollar, so it's gonna be $7. 5, 6, 7. Ooh, that 20 is out of place. So 5, 6, 7, and then let me fix this back. All right, a lot of my bills is due towards like the end of the month, like the 2 last weeks of the month. All right, so that's done, and let me cross that out on my tracker as well. And we also have to go into braces. And braces is for my payment of $150. So we got to take that out. So 100, 20, 40, 50. All right, and braces is paid for this month. I cannot wait to be done with, you know, my treatment amount. The total was $4,200, and it's estimated that I will be done with it in November, so I am excited about that. And let's cross that out. So next we have to go into spoiled, and I went into Whole Foods and I got me some witch hazel because they have a beauty week at Whole Foods. So I got me some witch hazel and I got me some pistachios. So let's go into spoiled. And the total for those two was $14.19. So $15 I gotta take out. 10 and a 5. And that's it, y'all. And I'm gonna go through real quick and let you guys know what I did purchase for my business this week. From the 13th, I purchased some gel polishes, some butterfly sequins, like it's like a nail decal. base coat, top coat, more nail glue. I purchased some stickers for like the budget binders that I'm going to be putting into the budget binders, and more gel polish. And I also brought me some prop money because, like I mentioned in my cash stuffing video, that I am switching over to prop money for like $100 bills. That's in my high yield savings account. So yeah, bring me some prop money, and I put that for Upgradia because I don't have like a YouTube envelope for like anything that I want to buy. So Upgradia is still for me upgrading any tech things for YouTube or even for my small business. So I just put it with that. It's okay. But yeah, I will cash unstuff that at the end of the month. And this is how my tracker is looking, you guys. Just like this. Alright, you guys, so that is all for today's video. And if you have enjoyed, be sure to leave your girl a big old thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button down below and join the family. I would love to have you all here with me on my channel. You can find me on Instagram at BudgetwithSimone. My fitness Instagram, curlygirl_getsfit. Check out my website, PressOnApplies.com, for your own press-on nails and soon-to-be budget-related items. And until next time, you guys, be well, be safe, and I catch you all in the next video. Bye-bye. I promise to love again. Yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You don't even say what's up. Round your boys, you act so tough. Like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, along this way it's on enough. I promise. You may think that I'm crazy. You should ask around about me. Put your trust in me, baby. I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me. Hey, oh, boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow on me. Hold on until the end. Hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you. And then begin again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around. Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way.